For the last 24 hours, dramatic scenes of an earthquake have unfolded in parts of Merseyside to test out how the fire service would deal with a major disaster. A huge pile-up in the Burton Head tunnel involving more than 40 vehicles, people trapped in buildings that have collapsed are just some of the things that firefighters have had to deal with. 200 firefighters, 5 helicopters, 7 urban search and rescue teams from all over the UK have turned out to deal with the earthquake. The exercise is designed to test the UK's response if a major disaster happened. It's the largest of its kind in the UK and will finish tonight.